In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Google Chrome browser on your computer in the quickest way possible. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this is a super simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know the two easiest ways to launch Chrome whenever you need it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is using the Windows search. Go ahead and press the Windows key on your keyboard, or click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu opens, just start typing Chrome. As soon as you type it, you should see Google Chrome appear in the search results. Now press Enter on your keyboard, and Chrome will open right away. This is the fastest option if you don't already have the browser pinned somewhere easy to reach. If you prefer using a shortcut, there's an even easier way. Look at your desktop or taskbar and see if the Chrome icon is already pinned there. The Chrome icon is usually the colorful circle with red, yellow, green, and blue in the center. If you see it on your desktop, just double-click it. If it's pinned to your taskbar, simply click it once, and Chrome will launch immediately. This is a great option because it saves time and lets you open the browser in one click. If you don't see Chrome pinned, you can always use the Windows search method again to open it, then right-click the icon and pin it to your taskbar for next time. That way, Chrome will always be easy to access. So to quickly recap, you can open Chrome by pressing the Windows key, typing Chrome, and pressing Enter, or by clicking the Chrome icon if it's already pinned to your desktop or taskbar. Both methods are fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.